always a nervous wreck, but man, does he know how to roll, I'll tell you. Here we go.
All the way.
How about that? Come on, you Red fans. Where are my Red fans tonight, huh? Case IH fans, how about that run? What do you say? Not bad at all. Good job, I'll tell you. 316.09. 316. 0.09. The first tractor even over the 300-foot mark. Ladies and gentlemen, I got with you Chris Pagel, winner of the limited pro-stock classes this evening. Chris, what's the track like out there? Well, it's a really good track, Gary. It's really good. It's a good horsepower track. We got to hold it real well. Got to get on the brake just a little bit. Once I got it corrected, ladies and gentlemen, so far this evening, that is actually my official first look at a limited pro-stock class. It's a brand new tractor. We hooked the last week when I was in Nashville driving. Last Chris Hill this morning. My partner and I have been filming, so I want to thank him. I wouldn't be here for one for him. I also want to thank Chris Hill. Tell us our purpose, we go up down the drive. We drive in this class. So, when that tractor's running, I don't want to last week. We got a trophy here for you tonight. When you want to raise and send to you, this will be courtesy of Gary Hoff and Amazon. I have with me tonight, Jack Top.
So you guys should enter your own tractor here. Your family.
It's a little bit more high. A little more advanced than what we have.
Man, they are dressed up completely in the like anti-flame retardant and everything. Huh?
Fire suits on.
Fire suit, yeah.
Mandatory.
I mean, is it really required? I mean, they have had incidents where the fire has engulfed.
Thank you, Jack. Congratulations.
They have had incidents. They have had incidents where the fire has engulfed the cage.
Thank you very much, Jack.
Well, I've never seen that.
All right, we're going to go from here. Drop insurance, pro-stock tractor pulling here, and then lead Dennis Schubert. He will set the flag for us once he comes to us center. Illinois.